नमस्कार। विश्व शांति दर्शन चैनल के यशवंत व्यक्तिमत्व विकास कार्यक्रम में आपका स्वागत है। यशवंत व्यक्तिमत्व अर्थात सुदृढ़ शरीर, स्वस्थ मन व गतिशील बुद्धिमत्ता। इस कार्यक्रम में लगातार हम आपको शारीरिक व मानसिक स्वास्थ्य किस तरह से पाया जा सकता है इसकी जानकारी देने का प्रयास करेंगे। आज का कार्यक्रम योग अभ्यास पर आधारित है और प्रस्तुत कर रही है हर्षा बोरा जी। आज के भाग में हम जानकारी लेंगे सर्वाइकल पेन अर्थात ग्रीवा या गर्दन के विकारों का तथा उनके इलाजों का। आइए देखते हैं हाउ टू टैकल सर्वाइकल पेन।
वेलकम टू यू ऑल अगेन। आप सभी का सहर्ष स्वागत करते हुए आज का सेशन रहेगा सर्वाइकल पेन। अपने गर्दन में, अपने कंधों में जो पेन होता है दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज सर्वाइकल पेन। जिनको भी गर्दन में, कंधों में दर्द है या दोज हु आर हैविंग द स्पॉन्डिलाइटिस इन द सर्वाइकल रीजन दे कैन प्रैक्टिस दिस। जिनके मसल्स वीक है वो भी इस प्रैक्टिस को कर सकते हैं। जिन लोगों का बहुत ड्राइविंग होता है, टू व्हीलर ड्राइविंग, या फिर जब हम फ़ोन देखते हैं, लैपटॉप देखते हैं, तो यूजुअली अवर आइज गोज डाउन, अवर नेक इज़ बेंडिंग फॉरवर्ड, देन लेटर ऑन वी गेट द पेन इन अवर नेक। फिर हम काफ़ी दिनों बाद हमें अपने गर्दन में दर्द महसूस होता है। उस दर्द को भगाने के लिए हम आज का योगाभ्यास देखेंगे। आज के योगाभ्यास के लिए हम अपने कोई भी आसन में बैठेंगे, एनी क्रॉस लेग पोजिशन। Our back will be straight, neck will be straight. Try not to lean further, try not to lean back. Make sure your back is straight. If you're sitting on the chair, you can sit on the chair, but make sure your neck is straight, your back is straight. You're not leaning back, you're not leaning forward. Make sure you're not leaning back, you're just sitting in the straight position. Then slowly we will start with the neck movements. The first movement will be, we will hold our head with the right hand. Put your right palm on the left ear and try to bend your, stretch your neck to the right side. Completely stretch. Try to stretch as much as possible. Try to touch your ear to the shoulder and completely go down. Feel the nice stretch to the left side of the muscles of your neck, shoulder, and feel nice stretch. Hold it for a couple of seconds and slowly come to the center. Take your arm down. Then left palm to the right ear and stretch your neck completely. Complete stretch. Close your eyes, breathe normal. Try not to hunch back. Complete stretch. And slowly and gently come to the center. You can do this practice in the movement also. Slowly bend your neck to the right side. Try to touch your ear to the shoulder. Get complete stretch to the left side. Slowly come to the center and bend to the left side. Try to touch your ear to the shoulder. Try not to take your shoulder up. अपने कंधे को ऊपर ना उठाए, कंधे को नीचे ही रखें, रिलैक्स्ड वे, एंड गर्दन को पूरी तरह से झुका के पूरी तरह से स्ट्रेच करने की कोशिश। धीरे से सेंटर, इसको धीरे धीरे मूवमेंट में भी करेंगे। राइट, देन स्लोली go back to the left. This way you can do it for the 5 counts. Slowly look up. Take your head back. Completely stretch your throat muscles. And slowly come to the center. जैसे कि हमने पहले के सत्र में नेक रोटेशन देखा था, we can practice here the neck rotation. But those who have the cervical spondylitis, Try not to rotate your head down. You can do the half circle. So we will show here the one demonstration of the rotation. We will start from the right. We'll go back, completely back. Then slowly coming to the left side. We will go down. Same process we will do in the opposite direction. Anti-clockwise, left, go back, right, and slowly come down. And then slowly we will come up. This practice we will do for the 5 rounds. Those who are having the cervical problem, cervical spondylitis, they can do from the right side. Bend your neck to the right, go back, and just come up to the left shoulder. And from the left, again go back, and slowly come to the right, and slowly center. Next practice, we will do it with our arm. We will stretch our arms in shoulder line. अपने दोनों हाथ ज़मीन को समांतर रहेंगे, हथेलियाँ ज़मीन की ओर. Both palms will be facing downwards. And now we will do small movements. We will take our arms down. Very small movements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you are feeling any pain in the arm, try not to drop your arm down. Now slowly face your palm in front, and we will do pulses. This exercise is known as pulses. Now we will do small movement in the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now slowly backward, turn your palm back, and we will do backward movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you are feeling any pain, any strain in the palm, try not to take your arm down. Turn your palm upwards, हथेलियाँ आकाश की ओर, and we will do movement upward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After this whole circle, slowly take your arms down. Relax for a while. Relax your shoulders completely. Again, stretch your arms. Stretch your fingers. Stretch your palm. Complete stretch in your arm, in your palm, in your fingers also. And now we will rotate a small circles. 1, 2. Try to move your arm from your shoulders. Complete circle. Try not to relax your fingers. Try not to relax your palm. 10 circles. Then opposite direction, anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly. Again relax. Relax your shoulder. Relax your neck. अगली प्रैक्टिस भी इसी पोजीशन में रहेगी. Again we will stretch our arms. We will stretch your palms. We will stretch our fingers. And then we will just move our palms with a completely stretched position. We will just move our palms. 1. Complete stretch and move. 2. We will do this for the 10 counts. 3. And continue up to the 10 counts. Then after this, slowly you can take your palms down. Close your eyes. Relax your body. And slowly and gently we will open. Also we have seen one practice in our previous session जो हमने shoulder rotation की practice देखी थी. दोनों हाथों को कंधे के ऊपर रखा था, दोनों palms को जोड़ा था, and then we have rotated completely our arm in the same position, anti-clockwise also. So this practice also you can do it for the 10 counts. This practice you can do before the lunch also. You can do this anytime. This is very helpful to remove all the toxins from your shoulder, from your neck. So it will reduce your neck pain, shoulder pain, even the stiffness in the shoulders, stiffness in the neck muscles. आगे की प्रैक्टिस हम पीठ के बल लेट के करेंगे. So lie down on your back with the support of both the elbows. Slowly come to the lying down position. अपने पीठ के बल लेट जाए. Completely stretch your body. अपने दोनों हाथों को शरीर के बाजू में रखिए. Your both arms will be next to your body. And slowly and gently bend your both the knees. अपने दोनों पैरों को घुटनों में मोड़ ले. Now धीरे से दोनों हाथों को शोल्डर लाइन में ले आए, ज़मीन के समांतर, या फिर अपने दोनों हाथों को ऊपर की ओर स्ट्रेच करके यू कैन होल्ड योर बोथ द एल्बोज. मेक श्योर योर बॉडी विल बी इन वन लाइन. टेक अ लॉन्ग डीप ब्रीथ इन. टेक योर बोथ द लेग्स as near as possible. Take a long deep breath in and with the exhalation अपने दोनों पैरों को राइट साइड की ओर ट्विस्ट करें और अपने गर्दन को लेफ्ट साइड की ओर ट्विस्ट करें. इसको होल्ड करें सांस लेते हुए धीरे से सेंटर. And with the exhalation you can do this practice to the opposite side. After this, now you can do it from opposite direction also. Twist your both the legs to the left side, turn your neck to the right side. और ध्यान रहे our both heels will be together. Completely breathe normal. Completely feel the twist to your back, to your abdomen, to your chest, to your neck. Hold the position for 30 seconds. And with the inhalation, slowly take your both knees in the center, turn your neck in the front and completely relax. Make sure when you are practicing, try not to lift your shoulders up, try not to do this position. Just twist your leg and twist your neck and slowly come to the center. In the next position, we can apart our knees, apart your feet, 1 to 1.5 feet apart. ध्यान रहे. Again we will stretch our both the knees to the right side. Try to touch your left knee to the left foot. Completely twist. Your neck will be straight. Then slowly come to the center. And this practice we can do from the left side. Make sure when you are doing from the left side, ध्यान रहे अपने कंधे को भी ना उठाए, दोनों पैरों को लेफ्ट साइड में ले जाए, राइट घुटने को लेफ्ट फुट को टच करने की कोशिश करें. एंड धीरे से यू कैन देन स्लोली स्ट्रेच योर नीज, स्ट्रेच योर आर्म्स एंड यू कैन रिलैक्स. Then in the next position, what we are going to do is, we are going to completely stretch our body. Then slowly, toes will be standing, palms will be next to your body. Slowly we will lift our left leg up. We will bend our left knee. And slowly we will hold our thigh and try to press your thigh on the abdomen. Or you can hold your calf muscles also, hamstrings also, and completely press. If you're comfortable, you can lift your head up. Try to touch your chin. And eyes closed, breathe normal. Feel the nice stretch. If you're possible, you can lift little more up and try to touch your chin. Then slowly drop down your head down, palms down, and stretch your leg and completely relax. The same practice, you can do it from the right side. This is very good practice for your lower back also. And after these stretches, you can slowly turn to the right side and slowly come to the sitting position. Even though these all practices are very good for the cervical pain, we have to maintain the whole body exercise for maintaining the muscle health, for maintaining the health of whole body. So make sure you practice couple of Surya Namaskar, you practice couple of stretches for your whole body, because all the muscles of the body are interconnected to each other. So these are going to help to each other. Also, for the relaxation of our neck, Bhramari Pranayam is very good. You can practice the Bhramari Pranayam with couple of mudras. So you can use the Shanmukhi mudra while doing the pranayam. The Shanmukhi mudra means we are closing the 6 doors from where we are losing our energy. So we will close that doors. So we'll close our ears with the thumb. We will keep our thumb on our ear palate. Then we will keep our index finger on our eye. We will keep our middle finger on our nose, a very slight touch. We are not going to close them completely, but we are going to just giving them the slight touch. And both remaining fingers, the ring finger and the little finger, will be above and below the lips. So this will be our position. We will first inhale deeply. We will inhale. Then we will close our ears, eyes, nose and lips a bit, not completely closed. Then we will try to do the Bhramari. Make sure when you are using this mudra, you are not getting outer sound, you are not able to listen anything, you are not able to see anything. But for creating the Makara sound, the Bhramari sound, you have to keep open your nose a bit, lips a bit, so that you can maintain that voice and you can get the more relaxation to your whole body, to your mind, to your thought process. So after this, whole practice is also important. Even maintaining the posture is very important. Make sure when you are using the phones and laptops, try not to take your screen down. Make sure your phones are in the eye line. Make sure you are not bending down or up. Maintain the proper position of your spine. And these all practices will helpful for you to maintain the health of your neck, health of your muscles of the shoulder, muscles of the neck. So thank you everyone. Keep practicing. Thank you.